Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Badlands and Backwoods Adventures. This is Adventure 2, Part 2. This time, today, we are at the Pat Williams Park in Brawley, California. Nice little park next to a horse stable, it looks like. Let's see what we can find. As you can see, there's a dirt parking lot, lots of playground equipment, a little toilet. Not sure if it's open this time of year, but pretty simple, pretty easy. Got covered picnic areas and open grills. Alright, so nice little park. As you can see, pack in, pack out. It's a pretty little park. Usable, I would say, what, 8 months out of the year? You don't want to come here in the height of summer, but other than that, it's not bad. The wind can kind of keep it cool, plus all of the grass definitely keeps the ambient air temperature low. Plus, during the summer, there, as you can see, there are a lot of trees, so there is a lot of shade. Overall, it's a quiet little park, great for birthday parties and get-togethers, but make sure to bring your own refreshments. There are none on site. Hey everyone, so just want to give you a piece of information. This area is home to rattlesnakes as well as other creatures of the desert. So do please be careful when you are here. Currently we are 200 feet below sea level. Big difference from our last video up at Mount Charleston. Also big difference in temperature. Over here you'll see a lot of vegetation. There is a very polluted river over there. I don't know the name of it, but you do not want to drink or swim in it. You don't even want to go near it, really. It really stinks in the summertime. It's a nice little park. Really like it here. Pretty sure if you're ever in the Imperial Valley, definitely give it a visit.
So that's the end of our little holiday adventure in the Imperial Valley. We hope you enjoyed the video. We were working on a couple of other trips right now, so that's going to be coming down the pipe real soon. So, if you like what we have going on here, go ahead and click the subscribe and ring that bell so you can get notified and join us on our next adventure. Any likes or shares on our videos would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much, and go out and have some fun.